So, good morning, beautiful people. Good morning, dear hearts. Kenyatta here. I'm here at my mother's yard, and I wanted to do a little check-in. It has been a while since I've been on. So around my birthday, my phone got damaged, so I didn't have a proper phone to actually continue my content creating. So I can say that that was a birthday gift of slowing down and taking time. But I slowed down partially because I also used the time to work on my Wellness Now offerings, and also go deep inside myself to work on some things that cropped up. So it was a gift to have the time. Maybe if I still had my phone, I would be torn between creating content that I really, really love and enjoy, as well as I'll be torn between creating content and actually pausing. Yeah, it's not easy to pause. Sometimes we need the help of the universe, and I did get this help. So I have a new phone now. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to go forward. I do still like producing content, and also I've been enjoying offering Wellness Now skills. So for those who are not aware of it, you can go look at my Wellness Now page, IG page. And yes, I still go out to the basic school. It's now Easter holiday, so the children are off this week and they'll go back next week. So I still go out to the basic school and be with them, play with them, offer them formless wellness skills. Yes, I'm still thinking and looking at how do I offer wellness skills to my fellow Jamaicans. That is not clear yet, but anyways, I trust that life will let me know when it's time. Anyhow, I just wanted to come on and share a little bit here in my mother's yard. Yes, it's been a long time since I've planted anything, and it so happened that, guess what? The stuff, canes and so forth. Let me see, how do we switch? Sugar cane I planted, only 2 of them survived the drought, and then the banana plantain and banana that I planted got eaten up by hi Mike. The banana and coconut that I planted got eaten up by the goats. So at this point, I think we need to get this place fenced in before we plant anything more, because we'd just be planting food for the animals. So the vineyard planting, and it's not happening anymore, but I have a container garden that I continue to work on. I call it my balcony vineyard. So from time to time I'll give some updates on that, but for now I just wanted to check in and let you know that I'm still around. No content because I was disabled for a bit, but now I may start to do more stuff. Anyways, that's it. All right, until next time. Mike, take care. Nice to see you on. It would be nice to see your face, but that's it.